Hi, Miss Zoe. We are going to do our reading lesson for today. First, we're going to review our sight words. So I'm going to hold up our sight words, and you can say them out loud. Here we go. Our first one is, hopefully you said out. And our next one is, and hopefully you said your. So maybe something you can do is put these two words into a sentence or do a couple different sentences today using your sight words. And the other thing we've been talking about this week is bossy R, is what we like to call it in first grade. So remember, we're just introducing it, so if you see these types of words when you're reading this summer and any other time, you are familiar with that concept. So I am going to share my screen with you here. Oh, not that one. Here we go. We have some bossy E words here, and I'm going to see if you want to pause now. That might be a good idea. You could pause and read these to mom or dad or to someone around you there just to get that extra help. So I'm going to grab a pencil here. So just a reminder that bossy E tells the vowel to say its name, and then the E is silent. So E is going to tell A to say A. So it's going to be k, a, k, cake. Also, you can think about it as our silent E. Remember we watched that video the other day where silent E, or actually it was called magic E. Magic E gives all its power to the vowel, and then it is so weak it says nothing. So it gives all the power to make the vowel say its name, and then is silent. So you can think about it either way that way. So this would be a good time to pause and go through with mom or dad here all of these magic E or bossy E words. All right, we're going to do one more thing here quick. And the page is going to look like this. And if we get some time, maybe we'd still do this together on Thursday. We'll see if we have the time or not. So here we have to decide, does it need a bossy E or is it fine without the bossy E? So that's why we have the thumbs up or that bossy E right here. So we're going to read this first word right here. So that first word is jog. Jog. Now, does this picture show someone who is about to jog? Or do you think we need to put a magic E in there, or bossy E, to make the O say O, to be jog? I'm going to guess you say, nope. We are thumbs up, because that means jog. All right, let's go down one now. All right, try to read that word there. Hopefully you say the word is cot. Does this look like a cot? A cot is like an extra bed, a little place so you're not sleeping on the floor. Or we could put in that bossy E and make it a coat. Does it look like a cot or a coat? I'm going to guess you say, nope, that's a cot. So we're good to go with that. All right, let's go down again. Let's look at this word. Nas. Nas. Is that a nas? Does that make sense to you? Sounds like we might need that bossy E. I remember, bossy E tells the O to say its name. Nose. Nose. That probably makes better sense. Alright, looking at this one, you try it. Paul. Paul? Doesn't look like a boy named Paul to me. But, I'm going to try that bossy E in there. Remember, bossy E tells O to say its name. Pole. Pole. Looks like a pole here. All right. So now, again, I want you to work with mom or dad here, or whoever's around with you, and decide if we need that bossy E or if it's a thumbs up. So just work with some with that. And when you are reading anything, any books, the mini books that you have there, you should be looking for those bossy E words. Remember that bossy E is a boss. He says, vowel, say your name, and then I'm going to be silent. Or maybe it's the magic E, and magic E gives him all the power to the vowel, and then the E is so weak it says nothing. So whichever way you can remember that. Also, don't forget our sight words, your, and out, and plus be reviewing all of our other sight words because we only have 3 weeks of school after this. So we'll be doing some end of the year testing here coming up too. So be reviewing all your sight words there and all of our sounds we've been going over. And I know we're doing a great job anyway. And I will post on Seesaw all of your assignments and another activity to do for our reading. So just remember to review that Bossy E, and you'll work on it more in first grade. So we're just introducing it this year or this week in kindergarten. So I will also list on this what other assignments are due. All right, well have a great day and I'll see you in la mañana. Okay, bye.